guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful coily hair right here. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. So to start, you need to cut your braiding hair into the length you want for your style. So next, you need to pull on the end to get rid of the blunt end. So next you need to brush it to make sure it's tangle free for the next step. So to coil the hair, you will need a small size flexi rods. So I got mine from my local beauty supply store here in Abu Dhabi. You can also get them online. If your local beauty supply store doesn't have them, you can order them online. Okay, so next you need to take a little amount of hair or the amount of hair you want for each coil, and then again you need to brush it through, because for this process we need to make sure that the hair is completely tangle free. So once you're done combing the hair, you need to apply oil or Vaseline depending on the one you prefer. So go ahead and apply that on the hair, and again you're going to go ahead and brush the hair or comb the hair to make sure it's tangle free. So once you're done combing the hair, you need to take the flexi rod and pass it through the loop just like this. Okay, making sure that the tip of the hair is even at the tip right there. Okay, so next you need to hold the top of the hair and then rotate the flexi rod like 2 to 3 times until the hair begins to twist. Okay, so once you get that, the next step is to wrap the hair around the flexi rod, making sure to give a little bit of space while wrapping the hair, as you can see right there. Twist and wrap it around, twist and wrap it around, and also make sure to leave a little bit of space on the flexi rod while wrapping the hair. So just like that. So go ahead and repeat the same thing on the rest of the hair, making sure to leave a little bit of space on the flexi rod while wrapping the hair around it. So next, I'm going ahead to transfer the hair into this little container right here. So, and I'm going in with a hot boiled water, just pouring it on top. Push the flexi rod down into the water to make sure that all the strands are completely soaked in the water. So I let it sit in the water for a few minutes, and after that I pour out the water and then dry the excess water using a towel and let the hair cool a little bit. It's not hot anymore, so now it's time to unravel the hair. So you want to be careful when doing this. You don't want to mess it up. Okay, so just gently unravel the hair. So the next step, you need to take your scissors and trim off the tip of the hair. Just cut off a little bit. Okay, so here you go. Perfect coil. Okay, so next we need to separate the coils before letting the hair air dry. Okay, so now you need to untwist the top of the hair by rotating it towards the opposite side. Just gently untwisting it, rotate it towards the opposite side, which will help to separate the coils. Okay, so next, once you have a little bit of space between the hair and the flexi rod, you need to pass your finger through the loop just like this, okay, making sure not to take any strands from either side of the coil. Okay, so next you need to remove the flexi rod. So now you can continue separating the hair, and also you want to be careful with it. You don't want to, again, you don't want to take any strands from either side. You want to keep everything intact. So gently rotate the hair towards the opposite side to untwist it. So doing that helps to separate the coils easily without you having to stress yourself. So go ahead and repeat the same thing on the rest of the hair. Again, take your time, don't rush it, don't take any strand from the other side, so in order to keep everything intact. So once you're done, the next step is to let the hair air dry completely, okay, before going ahead to use it for your protective hairstyle. So here it is. Here is the final result. So you can use this hair for as a crochet braid style. You can use it for twist. So here it is. Here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, okay? And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by, and I'll see you all in my next one.